Hi everybody, welcome back to my class. Children, let us practice reading today. So let's get started. Dear children, all of you please read the heading with me. READING, reading. The name of this passage is LITTLE, little, SQUIRREL, squirrel, little squirrel. Children, I hope that you all know what is squirrel. It's an animal. It lives in tree, right? And it's like to eat nuts. So children, let us read about little squirrel. All of you please read loudly with me. LITTLE, little, SQUIRREL, squirrel, little squirrel. WAS was HUNGRY, hungry. Little squirrel was hungry. HELLOOKED, looked. AND LOOKED, looked. A4 for NUTS, nuts. TO2 eat. He looked and looked for nuts to eat. HEFOUND, found. A PILE, pie. OF of NUTS, nuts. He found a pile of nuts. So children, what we have learned, that little squirrel was very hungry. So he looked and looked for nuts because he likes to eat nuts. Why he is searching for nut? Because he is very hungry. He wants to eat nuts. After that, he found a pile of nuts. Now let's see what he will do. HEATE, SOME, some, AND, THEN, then, DUG, dug, LITTLE, little, HOLE, whole, TO2 SAVE, save, THE, the, REST, rest, FOR for, WINTER, winter. Read with me children. He ate some and then dug a little hole to save the rest for winter. So what he did? He ate some nuts from there. From that pile of nuts, he ate some of the nuts. After that, the rest of the nuts, he dug the soil and there he make a hole and put the rest of the nuts in that hole. Okay. Why he did this? Because he want those for winter season. Winter is very cold. So the little squirrel will not be able to come out of its hole. So what he will do? He will sit in his own house and he will eat those nuts on winter. Now let us read the next. WHEN, when. WINTER, winter. C-A-M-E came. L-I-T-T-L-E little. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L squirrel. S-L-E-P-T slept. I-N in. H-I-S his. N-E-S-T nest. I-N in. A T-R-E-E tree. When winter came, little squirrel slept in his nest in a tree. So what happened when winter came? When winter came, little squirrel slept in his nest, which was in a tree. So for the long winter, he just slept. W-H-E-N when. H-E he. G-O-T got. H-U-N G-R-Y hungry. H-E he. G-O-T got. U-P up. A-N-D and. D-U-G dug. U-P up. S-O-M-E some. N-U-T-S nuts. T-O-2 E-A-T eat. When he got hungry, he got up and dug up some nuts to eat. So what little squirrel did? When he got hungry, he just wake up and he dug up the soil, and from there he take out the nuts to eat. Okay. Now let us read the next line. L-I-T-T-L-E little. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L squirrel. Little squirrel. G-O-T got. R-E-A-D-Y ready. A-for W-I-N-T-E-R winter. And after that, little squirrel got ready for the winter. W-H-A-T what? A S-M-A-R-T smart. L-I-T-T-L-E little. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L what a smart little squirrel. Now children, can you tell me, the little squirrel was smart, intelligent or not? Yes, you are right. The little squirrel was very smart. That is why here it's written, what a smart little squirrel. So he was very smart. So children, I hope that you have understood. Now you will make sentences with squirrel, nuts and trees. Please do it in your copy with very nice handwriting. Okay? So this is all for today. Bye-bye and have a nice day.